Okay, so what you're going to do to get your spare tire out of that, there's plenty of videos on this, but what I ended up doing is use this 9/16 by 14 millimeter. That wouldn't fit down my tube because of the hex on it. So I modified that one after I got it out. I went to go get a spare and needed to use it again. I ground some of the sides off this so it fit down that black tube, and then it worked fine. But there's plenty of videos about that, but I'll show you how to get that to where you can use your normal tool and not have to carry these around with you. Alright, so a lot of people like to take this out, those two bolts, bang it out, and I was looking at it, and what holds that key in there is plastic. You take this long enough and cook on that bolt. Probably has some water handy in case fire started, but cook that bolt long enough, should be able to just give a gentle nudge and it'll fall right out. Then you should be able to use your stock jack handle and lower your tire. If you haven't seen how to get this out, I used I believe it was a 14 millimeter extractor. I had to grind a little off sides off of it to get the tube off there. That tube's not in there. This one. Be careful with this. If this thing falls on you, it's going to be hot. Hopefully I can save a couple steps here. It's a 03 F150 4.25 speed. That'll be pretty warm now. Let's see what we got. It's a lot looser. Still not quite ready to come out yet. So keep on cooking. I'll lay this down here. Yeah. Little fire ain't gonna hurt nobody. We're far enough away from that gas tank over there. Hopefully. If you don't melt it too bad, you'll be able to get your tube back on, but it's not very hard to go ahead and get your jack handle in there without that tube on. I just left it off after I dropped it last time. Alright, take two. A little hammer. And I'm not sure where it went, but it popped out. There it is. There you go. Now you should be able to stick your key in there. And for your jack handle, you don't need a key anymore.